Thanks for trying out the beta version of our program. Before you begin, both you and your match must agree to switch to the beta version. You can always switch back, as long as you tell your match. Getting access to the beta version. First, log in to MentorCity. Go to mentorcity.com/login and enter the email you provided when you signed up, as well as your password. Please note, if you enter your email or password incorrectly 3 times, you will get locked out of your account. You should receive an email from MentorCity with information about how to unlock your account. Once you are matched, you will receive emails every time your match messages you. You can click on the link in the email to get to MentorCity. Please do not reply to the email. Once you are signed in, click on Connections. Then click on your match's name. Below the navigation wheel, which is the big circle at the top of the page, click on Beta Version. This is the beta version homepage. If you have not done so yet, please complete the Meet Your Mentor activity. Click on the button with the name of the unit you want to do. This will open a new tab with that unit's activities. Make sure you keep the beta version homepage tab open, since this is where you will send and receive messages to and from your match. Each unit has the following activities. A warm-up activity, which is a short activity to get you thinking about the unit's topic. 1 or 2 lessons that have background info about the unit's topic, like a video or article, as well as discussion questions that ask you to think about the background info, share your response to a prompt or activity, and then ask your mentor a question. If you want to learn more about the topic, you can complete extension activities, or view additional information. When you have finished all the activities that you want, or are required to do for the unit, please click on the survey at the bottom of the unit's page. Your answers will be used to improve the unit, and will be anonymous. If you answer all the survey questions for all the units you complete, you'll get a prize. Then, decide with your match which unit you want to do next. To message your match, return to the beta version homepage. Scroll down to the Send message box. Type your message and click Send. Be sure to begin each message by telling your match which unit and lesson you are working on, and include the question or prompt you are answering. MentorCity does not have spell check, so you might try writing your message in a separate word processor, like a Word doc or note, and then copy and pasting it into the Send message box. Refresh the page to ensure your message sent. If it didn't send, then just copy and paste it again and retry. To view messages that you and your match send, click on Inactivity Beta Version under the Send message box. As long as you are on the beta version homepage when you send your messages, all your messages will be here. If you previously sent messages in other pages, your old messages will still be there, but under those units' names. To attach items, like documents, pictures, videos, or audio files to your message, click on the Save to Your Portfolio button, under the Send message box. Navigate to the item on your computer and click Open. You will see the file name written under the right side of the Send message box. Write a description of what you are attaching in the Send message box, then click Send. Refresh the page to ensure that your message sent and that your item was attached. You will be able to view the item by clicking on the document icon in your message. All items you attach will be saved to your portfolio, which you can view by looking under My Portfolio on the upper right-hand side of the page. If you don't feel like writing to your match, you can also record and then attach video or voice message. If sending messages through MentorCity is not your jam, and you'd rather communicate with your match some other way, please let us know and we can help you set up something else, like video or phone calls. When you have completed all desired and required units, and are ready to finish the program, click on Wrapping Up Activity to say thank you and goodbye. If you need help at any point during the program, scroll down to the Need Help section on the beta version homepage. Here we have program tutorials, including this tutorial, information on how to fix some common tech issues, information about accessibility options, instructions for how to do some of the tasks on your computer that this program will require, as well as definitions of common terms we use throughout the program. Mentors can find mentoring resources here. Thanks again for trying out the beta version of our program. After you have tried this version out for a while, please take our survey at the bottom of the beta version homepage to let us know what you think. With enough user feedback, we can decide whether to switch to this version or keep the one we have now. The first 10 mentor-mentee pairs who switch and take the survey will receive a prize. You must complete at least 2 units using the beta version to be eligible.